Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin or BornHype coming at you guys with another video. Today, we got a brand new unboxing from the Zen app. This is from ComplexCon. I did not go to ComplexCon, but I did have somebody that I know that went there, and he was able to proxy me some of the merch. Um, so yeah, let's just get right into it and unbox this. Alrighty, so I did only get one tee, but it is for the personal. It's for the body. This is the Chicago, the flower tee. So let me just open this. And coming this week, guys, we have a video on my issues with StockX because some shit happened, and we'll go over it. But here we go. Pretty basic, just like the normal Takashi Murakami little flower thing, and Chicago, and then it says, oh, it's trademarked at the bottom, and then the tag, it's like a Gildan tee, so it's just printed on there, but it just says ComplexCon, large, thank you and enjoy, and then like the information about the t-shirt. But this looks kind of big, to be honest, not gonna front. This looks massive, so we're gonna have to try that on, and then if it doesn't fit, I might just sell it in my Discord. So if any of you guys want a size large one, if it doesn't fit me, you guys can buy it. But yeah, that's really it for today, guys. Basic little video. There's not a lot dropping until like the middle of August, so videos are gonna be kind of slow. Probably gonna make some gaming videos here and there, but we shall see. And yeah, today I think I'm gonna record the StockX video because I think the item comes back. You guys should already kind of know what's going on there, since I'm getting an item I sold back. But yeah, we'll see what's going on. That video should be up either later tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you guys like, subscribe down below. If you guys do want this tee, if it doesn't fit me, join my Discord. Hit me up on Instagram, whatever you guys want to do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for over 650 subscribers now. We're doing well. Road to 1K. Yeah, 658 subscribers and 69,000 video views. So yeah, that's great. Thank you guys very much for that. Not much else I need to really talk about. So yeah, this has been Gavin or BornHype, and I'm out. Peace.